Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you my new application, which is a deepfake application for video type of file and image type of files. I have named it Fakify. So the user interface is very interactive. You just have to log in for the use of application. In case you are a new user, you just have to sign up using a name, email, and create a password and confirm password. You will be receiving a verification email, and then you will be able to log in. So let's try it. Yes. Sign up. So check your email for verification. So you will be receiving all the messages here. So let's check our email. So finally we have received the mail. So just click the button below to verify your email. So just click on the button. uh, you just have to click within 1 hour. After 1 hour it will expire. So thanks for verifying. You may now log in. So you may log in now with the ID password. So my email was in case you forgot your password, you can use forgot password option to email, create password and confirm password. You will be receiving a verification email similar, and you may change your password. So let's log in with the previous one. Password. So we are logged in, and the application will find your name from the database and display here. Like my name is showing Asis. Now you can upload your target files and source files for the processing. Target file is the file in which you want to the user's face to be changed with the face of the source file. So you, for the source file, you can upload an image file of the source face, and in the target file can be a video file or your image file in which the persons are there. And so let's see how does it work. So I'll choose a target file. Let's try a image first. So let's try this pandas screenshot for the target file, and for source file I have a picture of my friend. It's a screenshot again. Now upload. So from the source file, it will analyze your source file, and after analyzing, all the faces will be displayed here. So there was only one face in this source file, so it displayed only one face, and you can select only one face from the source file. So I just select this face, and after then it will analyze your target file, and whatever faces are there in target file it will display again, and it will ask you to choose as many as you want. So there was only one face, but if there are 4 or 5 faces, you can select any number of faces to apply this face, the source face on those target faces. So let's select this pandas face and start processing. So you can see the pandas face is updated with my friend's face in this screenshot, and you may download it if you like this processing. And in case you want a new upload, just click on new upload. So let's download first. So see, downloading file and file downloaded. And if you want new upload, just new upload. Let's try another image with few more number of faces. So let's take this face, this picture, and another. Let's take this process all faces option is optional. In case you want to process all the faces in the target file, so you just check this box So it will not analyze your target file in that case, because you want to process all the phases in the target file. So it will save your time if you check this box in case you want to process all the phases. So I will not check this because there are two phases, Ritik Roshan and uh, Deepika. So I will just process Ritik Roshan. So see, oh sorry, I was talking about Brahmanandans and one more person was there. So I will process the second person, not Brahmanandan's face. So Ritik Roshan face I want to apply on this person. Start processing. See, this is Ritik Roshan. Applied on this. Let me download it. Try new upload. Let's try quickly one more, and then we will shift to a video demo. We can upload video as target file too. So for that, let's try this as target file and this technical Guruji's photos. So this in this case in a target file we have only one person and we want to process that person. So in this case we can check this box. So see, source phases are displayed, and as soon as I clicked on technical Guruji, it didn't analyze your target file and just displayed the final picture. So see, this is technical Guruji on that person. And if you notice, we are leaving a watermark on each images which are processed. Of course, it is a good practice to keep a watermark on these kinds of application. So now we will move to video type of demo. So for video, I have downloaded some YouTube shorts. Let me play first.
Hell with acceleration blew up my style again. Volkswagen, tailspin, bucket man just my.
So what I will do, I will change Peter Parker's face. So let me select first that video. Okay. Uh, Let me choose my own pick. Okay. So when I will click on the source face, so it will start analyzing the video file and the AI model in the backend. It will go through the video and whatever different faces or different persons are there in the video, it will find out and it will display on the screen so that you can select. So you can see video is analyzed and you may select the faces of Peter Parker. You can see here a blur face is also there of Peter Parker. So you may just select all the faces of Peter Parker like this. Or even if you don't select this blur one, it's sufficient. You can do with one also. So let's start. So our video is ready. Let's play it. Oh, it's very nicely focused. So due to some unknown reason, when I'm playing the video here, uh, video sound is audible to me, but somehow it is not recording in my video recorder. So what I will do, I will attach a downloaded file after each processing on the video.
Through hell with accelerants and blew up my style again. Volkswagen, tailspin, bucket man does not pay.
हेलो
हेलो अंकल।
हेलो
हेलो अंकल, आपको गलती से फोन लग गया, लेकिन आपके साथ अपनी खुशी सेलिब्रेट करना चाहता हूँ। अंकल, मेरा 12th का रिजल्ट आ गया।
Let me select my own face. So let's choose this face. You see, our video is ready. मैं download it.
हेलो
हेलो अंकल।
हेलो
हेलो अंकल, आपको गलती से फोन लग गया, लेकिन आपके साथ अपनी खुशी सेलिब्रेट करना चाहता हूँ। अंकल, मेरा 12th का रिजल्ट आ गया।
रशियन प्रेसिडेंट व्लादिमीर पुतिन एक्चुअली में कितने अमीर हैं? रशियन सरकार के ऑफिशियल एस्टिमेट्स के अकॉर्डिंग उनकी तनख्वाह है $1,40,000 साल की, यानी 1 करोड़ रुपए।
So let's select this Hrithik Roshan's pic. Select Dhruv Rathi. Start processing. So the video is ready. Let's watch it.
रशियन प्रेसिडेंट व्लादिमीर पुतिन एक्चुअली में कितने अमीर हैं? रशियन सरकार के ऑफिशियल एस्टिमेट्स के अकॉर्डिंग उनकी तनख्वाह है $1,40,000 साल की, यानी 1 करोड़ रुपए।